Does your child need help in all the academic subjects? Or maybe just in one or two subjects? YTC's preferred academic tutorial then is for you. The preferred academic tutorial program is part of YTC's e-learning. This is for students from grades 1 to 12 who feel they need consistent support in order to understand, cope, or master the lessons in one chosen or preferred academic subject. One academic subject is chosen or preferred. This could be the subject that interests the student. This could also be the subject that the student finds most difficult, or perhaps the most challenging. But the most important of all is that the preferred subject could be the subject wherein the student needs help the most. Sessions focus on each student's individual academic needs. Lessons are reinforced through live online teaching. Homework assistance is prioritized. Students review with a tutor for the announced and scheduled quizzes and assessments. Each student's performance and progress are constantly monitored by the tutor during the live online classes and the results of the uploaded instructional materials. When needed, additional relevant instructional materials in the form of worksheets and practice tests are uploaded. For 1 month, the student, depending on grade level, joins a small group of 5 to 7 other students during the live online sessions conducted daily. Each student will also have his own access to the uploaded worksheets and practice tests responsive to his individual learning needs. YTC's preferred academic tutorial uses Zoom for live teaching and interaction. In the Google Classroom, each Tutee can go to classwork and access the uploaded learning materials relevant to his needs. The Tutee and the tutor may communicate in the stream, also in the Google Classroom. We listen, message us on Facebook, or visit our website. We are here to listen to your needs. Book a consultation that is absolutely free and let us know which subject you prefer for academic tutorial. See you soon at YTC's e-learning.